Okay, loves, let me tell you briefly what I have going on in our living room refresh. I'm so loving these colors. This is one of my favorite colors to decorate with. So let's start over here on this side. This decorative object here came from Z Gallery a couple of years ago. The rabbit came from Home Goods. The flowers came from Mon Amour Flora. I think I'm saying her name right. Let me know if I said it right. She gifted these to me over on Instagram. The accent cabinet here actually came from At Home. My accent chair came from Pier 1. These pillows came from Monet Decor. I'll leave the link below to her. She's also over on Instagram. The throw came from Z Gallery. My area rug came from Home Goods, but you can get it from Wayfair. I'll place the link below. These lamps over here actually came from Walmart. I love these lamps because they're like 38, maybe 39 inches tall. They're very similar to those lamps over at Z Gallery. The only difference is these are see-through and you can see the plug hanging in there. However, I like these because you can decorate the inside of the lamps. The lamps are pretty tall. They're actually almost the same height as the ones over at Z Gallery. So right now, I have some tulips in there. You can just raise the bottom up and insert tulips in there. You can put whatever you want to put in there. I have so many ideas going through my head of ways that I can decorate with this particular lamp. And I'm going to place a link below to that. The candles came from Home Goods. The nesting tables came from Z Gallery. The pillow here came from Z Gallery. This pillow came from Monet Decor on Instagram. And this is a Z Gallery pillow. My wall art came from Home Goods. Purchased it about a couple of weeks ago. My couch came from Rooms to Go. Same lamp over on that end. The little accent rug I have at the bottom actually came from Home Goods. I have footprints all in it. Now these are some super cute drapes. I love shopping for my drapes over at Amazon. Now the camera doesn't do these drapes any justice because they're actually ombre. Let me see if I can turn on this light, if it'll help. No, it doesn't help because these drapes are like, they start off as like an off-white at the top, and then it starts being like a lime green to like a green to like an ombre. It's an ombre color, and it's supposed to be like aqua here, but it looks gray on camera, but in person it really is aqua, but it looks gray on camera. I don't know why. So I was trying to adjust my camera to see if you could see the true color of this drape, but you really can't because no matter how I focus my camera, it's still looking gray on camera. Okay, love, so I'm stepping back so you can get a better view of my ginger jars. The bigger ginger jar came from Home Goods. The white, actually the white, and all the other ones came from Tuesday Morning. The white, silver, and this pewter color came from Tuesday Morning. Moving over here to my entryway, these ginger jars here actually came from Bed Bath & Beyond, tulips from Amazon. These vases here came from Z Gallery, eggs from Home Goods, candles from Home Goods, candles here from Home Goods. Wall art actually came from Macy's. The sconces came from actually Wayfair many years ago, but I'll place the link to them. I found them on Home Goods. Not Home Goods. I found them at Home Depot. So this arrangement over here, the flowers came from Z Gallery as well as these. The vase also came from Z Gallery. The little rabbit that you see came from Tuesday Morning, and the stand came from Home Goods. On the bottom shelf of my entryway table, the rabbits came from Home Goods. The books came from an Etsy shop. And the tray came from Home Goods. And my entryway table itself came from Rooms to Go. Okay, I didn't mention that this particular wall art actually came from Home Goods. It's a mixture of rocks, paint specks, and glitter, and it's super, super cute. Everything that a glam girl loves is in this picture. Okay, love, so my mirror came from Z Gallery. My pendant light came from ET2. I'll leave the link below to that. And if I move on down to my coffee table, my vase, which is called an Ellipse vase, came from Z Gallery, as well as the mini Ellipse vase. The rabbits came from Home Goods. My coffee table came from Rooms to Go. And everything on the bottom of my coffee table actually came from Home Goods as well. So I hope that this video inspired someone. So coming up this weekend, I am really hoping and praying that my floors will be redone. So what I'm planning on doing is getting like a gray vinyl planking throughout my whole home, starting from this room all the way to my kitchen, to my family room back there. Now, I already have the vinyl planking in my master bedroom and my 2 guest bedrooms and my master bathroom. I just don't have it in my guest bathroom, hallway, and kitchen and family room. Other than that, everything's gonna flow so well to be able to walk in to see one clean slate of a floor going straight through your home. So anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.